Do you know where your water comes from?
Yeah, I think the water comes from Los Angeles and then through a pipeline.
I absolutely don't have any idea.
Do you know where your water comes from?
No, I don't.
The water plant?
And how does it get to the water plant?
I don't know.
Are you guys from here?
Yes.
Do you know where your water comes from?
No.
Do you know where your water here comes from?
From Northern California, I believe, Colorado River.
Do you think that we have enough water?
Probably, for now, yeah.
We definitely have droughts, and supply is a major challenge for that. We also have climate change is making our water melt earlier, and then for the supply, it doesn't get to us when we need it later on in the later parts of summer.
Do you think we have any trouble with not having enough water here?
No. Yeah, I do.
So I think that we're getting to the point where people are wasting water. As if we have any now, like if we're in a problem now, I think we're right in the middle where we know that there's a problem, but then we don't really care at the same time.
I don't know, I'm not really too concerned.
I think it's going to be horribly bad.
We live in a desert.
Are you worried about it?
Yes, because they keep building, and there's still the same amount of water or less for more houses.
Everyone uses water. In San Diego, our water actually comes from thousands of miles away and follows an incredible path. Were we to have an earthquake, the levees in Northern California could rupture and we wouldn't have water for 3 years. Climate change also means that we'll face massive shortages, even within this century.
Everyone you've heard from is from San Diego. Sure, we've gotten flyers in the mail about drought restrictions, and the desal plant up the street created quite the stir in the media. But we'll always have water, right? It seems like we're not so sure. And to start with, we're not even sure where our water comes from. Our team thinks this is a communication issue. So our project is offering an innovative means of communication to reach people in our generation to get them up to speed on the story of our water and how that story might change in our lifetime.
So you might be wondering why a group of oceanography students is interested in freshwater. Well, all our freshwater comes from the ocean at some point, and the ocean regulates our climate, which controls how much freshwater we get on land. So we want to track the path of this water from its source to its many ends. Ends like farms, our own bathroom sinks, and the ocean. We figured the best way to track the path of this water is to do a road trip from the very start of the source up in the Colorado Rocky Mountains and in the Sacramento-San Joaquin River Delta in Northern California, all the way to the water's end in the northern Gulf of California where it reaches a small trickle.
The serious consequences of water shortage don't mean that we need to have a crappy attitude. We're designing a video that's intended to spark attention, as well as a live blog and visiting classrooms while we're on the road, visiting the places that are impacted by water use and climate change. We're headed towards a future where we don't know if we're going to need to use technology to recycle our wastewater into drinking water. But on this road trip, we'll find out.
Clearly this is going to be a really fun and educational project. To take us to the next level, we need your help in making it a truly professional endeavor so that we can reach a broad audience.
Personally, I'm pumped about doing a road trip and making a movie about it. We're the perfect team for this job. We're fun, young students who can reach our generation. We're scientists who can ask the right questions when we meet with the experts and the community members along the way. And we all have experience in communicating science and its implications to the public. See you at the film festival.